Hey guys, it's Voy, and I hope you guys are having a blessed whatever the time of the day it is for you. It's day 2 of Vlogmas, and what we gonna do today is make origami ornaments and decorate the tree. Yer. Realize I did it in the wrong direction, but you know what, that's not important. So, without further ado, let's hop on into it.
So you will need graphing paper or origami paper, and the amount depends on you, a writing utensil, scissors, number stickers or labels, string or yarn, tape, and goodies or treats of your choice. This is the 25 by 25, the 30 by 30, and the 35 by 35, which is what we'll be using today. I don't have origami paper, so I'm using graphing paper, and I started off with the number 35 about 4 spaces from the edge and 1 from the top. When you have reached the corner, you want to write the number 35 once again. In between the two 35s will be 33 dots, then continue down with another 33 dots and write another 35. Then continue with the steps until you make a perfect square. When cutting, you want to cut on the outer edge of the dotted lines in 35. So here, I'm just starting to cut along the dotted lines. This is me cutting along the outer edge of the dotted lines. And remember that you want to cut on the outer edge, not the inner, or else you'll get a smaller square, and that's not what we're looking for. We're looking for a decent size, which is what I chose. And save your paper. It's good to recycle, you know? Here's a tip to get a perfect square. Have the two edges meet. Then, the two edges that meet, if they align with the corner that is open, and the corner that is open makes a perfect triangle, then you have a perfect square after opening it. Now you have to fold the paper. So make the opposite end meet the other opposite end to make a rectangle. Then you'll have to do it once more on the other side. Now take one corner to meet to the opposite corner. Then you're going to want to make that perfect little triangle that we talked about earlier. And you're going to want to do it on the other corner as well, so that we have a cross and a plus. So here you want to fold the corner to about the center of the square line, I guess, to make a kite looking shape on both sides. And continue these steps for all 4 corners. Here I have outlined where the gift could go, so it would go in this purple section here, and these green lines on the other side is where you would crease them inwards. To label the origami piece, you're going to flip it over and pick a diamond that you want to label. So you're going to want to take the string and fold it over itself and make it the desired length you'd like. Then cut the string. Take the string you recently cut to make a copy so that you have another one and you don't have to go back over and try to figure out the length that you just cut before. For this step, you want to flip it over and find the labeled side. On the opposite side is where you can open. Now flip it back over and do not use that side because it will be the opening side. Now take the string and lay it across the side that is labeled. Then take your tape and make sure you get a small piece, or at least a thin piece, so that it doesn't take up the whole area. Tape near to the top corner where the two edges meet. Then tape the other side that would connect to the side that is labeled. Slide the string up to the top so that you're able to tie it. After tying it, it should look like this. You can tie it to your desired length, then cut off the excess pieces. Pick the desired treat that you'd like to go inside this origami ornament. To put the treat inside, you open the flap that is left open and that was not taped. Open it, fold the candy if need be, or fold the treat, and put it in to a corner so that one end is meeting the other, and close it so that the treat is hidden inside. Okay, so as you can see, I ran out of, what are these things called? Thumbtack, push pins, whatever you want to call them. Had to use tape. It's bugging me a bit, but you know what? Christmas trees are green, so technically I should have used tape everywhere. I think that would have looked better, but anyway, this is art. So I finished my origami advent calendar. Technically, you can technically not call it origami because there's like other stuff involved in it, but you know what? It's okay. It's okay, I think. Anyway, since it's day 2 that I started this advent calendar, I get to open day 1. So basically, it will be one day late. And there's only 24, so 24 days until Christmas. So number 1, here. So what you do to open it, you know, turn it around, or you can take it off if you want to. I'm going to take it off because it makes life easier. I get, ooh, it's the mystery one. White mystery. I'm actually curious. Hold on, let me put this back. So it is, okay, it's literally white. I don't know if you guys can see that. So the camera stopped for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm gonna try and figure out this flavor. I can't even describe this flavor, to be honest. It kind of tastes like the white frosty breezy, but at the same time it tastes like something else. Like it's supposed to be in cake or something.
Well, yeah, it's sugar, but like it tastes like maybe icing. Yeah, actually, it kind of tastes like icing. That was the end of Vlogmas Day 2. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.